Hi, welcome to my kitchen, and welcome back to Cooking Show at Home. Today, I'll show you how to trim, cook, and eat artichokes the right way. If you didn't grow up eating artichokes, they can seem confusing and intimidating, and a lot of people, including myself, bought them once, tried to cook them, and gave up because they didn't know how to prepare them properly. As always, you can find the list of ingredients in the description below. And please, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Trimming the artichokes. I'll start by removing the excess stem. Next, cut off the top third of the artichoke. This removes the tough, inedible leaves called bracts. Notice I'm wearing gloves. I like using them when working with garlic, and will be using garlic today, but also artichokes are rich in iron and can stain your hands as they oxidize. Then, cut each artichoke in half. Before doing anything else, squeeze lemon juice over the cut sides to prevent darkening. Remember, iron oxidizes quickly. You can also place them into cold water with lemon juice. Peel the remaining stem and remove any small dry leaves at the base. Now, remove the furry, inedible choke in the center using a spoon. Discard it. Your artichokes are now trimmed and ready. Seasoning and cooking. Crush and dice 1 head of garlic. It's easier to crush the cloves first, then peel and chop them. Season the artichokes with salt and black pepper. Then rub and tuck the diced garlic between the leaves. Leave about half of the garlic for the dipping sauce. Optionally, rub and tuck some rosemary for aroma. Drizzle with olive oil, place the artichokes on a baking rack, and bake or air fry for 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Dipping sauce. While the artichokes are cooking, let's make a simple dipping sauce. Finely chop parsley. Add 2 tablespoons plain yogurt. Add 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Salt and pepper to taste. Mix in the remaining garlic and 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper. Squeeze lemon juice, stir well. How to know they're done? Check the artichokes with a knife. When the base, called the heart, feels soft, they're ready. Serve them warm with your dipping sauce. How to eat artichokes properly. Pull off 1 leaf at a time and dip it into the sauce. Place the fleshy base of the leaf in your mouth, dip side down, and pull, scraping the tender part with your teeth. Discard the rest of the leaf and repeat. Once you reach the tender inner leaves, you can eat those whole. Then cut up the heart and enjoy. It's the best part. Give artichokes a try and enjoy this amazing vegetable. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.